Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tang hadian shita yaw tam gajiwan ju menteri khana jong ka sarkar pedeng ubadai pet ya katanat Jal Shakti u Dr. Raj Bhushan Chaudhary hamau kerwan minta kasngi kalai tarik unai luar hajar pesau sa u menteri badai pet ya katanat Riti Dustur bat katanat kam jong okai perthai ka sarkar pedeng u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ulawan jong ya kamau kerwat Southwest Khasi Hills District bat hakani kasngi u menteri ulale jong ya ki jaka jong okai bapher ki bapaunam hakathan mau kerwan bakantup ya ka hot spring Hajakram, Mauruduk Manalit, Hamaulangwir, Senrang Maurin, Hamauten, Bat Mauranglang Viewpoint. Menteri ka sarkar pedeng hadian gajingwan jungo ekite jaka ulapan longru ya ka review meeting bat ki officer na kitna sarkar bapher po ka district ha circuit house mau kerwan. Habakran syakila pathai khubor hadian balawai ka jingalang Hasenran Maurin, Kabadan Hashnang Mauten, Usyek Hawat ulapan pau ya ka jingsngo sarong bat ya bit ya ka Jingitynnad ka Mariang hakathan mau kerwan. Ula ongru baka Meghalaya kadai ka wei ni ki Jylla syadai lam ingi kabadan ni ki jingkermen ka bakrau ban kentiu iki kam jong okai perthei na kalyang jong u khot uweru iki turis ki bompat jupoi ha Meghalaya bakinwan ban sakhi daladi ka ni ki Jylla kabadap na ka Jingitynnad Naduh ka Kolshor haduk ka Mariang ka jingpen raya ka kam jong okai perthei kawan ra ya ka jingkala ka bakrau ha ka jingem jong ginong shong shnong ka spa ka yo ka kot jongki kan kiu ka jinglong jingman jongki kan long ka jingkala bat nga kermen bahaki por banwan kata ka kam jong okai perthei kanong penyat ya ka yo ka kot haki Jylla syatei lambingi ong usye kawan
down there, sir. Last 2 years, whenever you come, you are there. I'm JJM. Yeah. I'm in JJM. And this time, like this all the time. Wow. Madam, try the window. It is just sufficient to take bath. Direct naha ke bagda.
हम यहाँ पे उसको रिप्रेजेंट प्रस्तुति करने के लिए यहाँ पे
And we are happy to. Thank you. Thank you. The only college of Sabbath is Chinese. So Makevat is now a place where a situation arises that who will be the king. Not who will be the king actually. Who will punish that criminal? Who will fight that criminal with death penalty? At the time, people feel that it's not alright. We need a king to decide. Then we call a king, and the king solved the case. That's why we get the king, the first king. Until now, we have around 36 kings. Each megalith represents one generation of king. And this where the people who founded this kingdom. Okay. Citizen at the time, then we have the kingdom. Since that time, we have the kingdom.
And which year this kingdom was formed?
That's something that
You just don't know. In the state of Meghalaya, and several more to explore. Having seen these beautiful locations, the scenic beauty, I can say that Meghalaya has an immense potential of growing tourism here. Come on, let us all come and experience Meghalaya, the culture and the natural beauty. Thank you. Local MLA, Mr. Jingitynnad, the Joint Secretary, Government of India and MD ITDC. Present here, the DM of Southwest Khasi Hills, the TC, the Principal of SNGAP College, the village head, dear friends, and the fellow artisans. At the outset, I would like to thank the District Administration of Southwest Khasi Hills, my dear friend MLA Mr. Jingitynnad, for organizing this beautiful cultural event here at a very scenic and beautiful tourist spot developed by the state government. We came here to Shillong to sit with all the ministers and officials of the northeastern states to understand and further develop the tourism potential of the northeastern states. We all are aware that our beloved nation under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is marching towards becoming a developed nation by 2047. Our economy is continuously growing with the fastest speed in the larger economies of the world. And the potential of tourism is increasing day by day, month by month, and year on year. And when I say the increasing potential of tourism in our country, the maximum of the potential or the share of the tourism is inevitably to be gone to the northeastern states and especially the Meghalaya state. In all these northeastern states, we have everything, the cultural diversity and the natural beauties. The state governments, they have shared their plan yesterday. They have shared their beautiful prospects yesterday during the long meeting, day-long meeting. And I'm sure that the high ambitious goals and the plans of the state governments are going to create big opportunity for the tourists to visit these states and heritage, beautiful locations, beautiful weather, and the development of tourism is going to bring a big change in the life of the local communities. Their economic wealth will rise, their living conditions will be changed, and I wish that in coming future, the tourism will become the driver of the economy of these northeastern states. I wish everybody a very good success and a beautiful life ahead. And once again, I would like to thank all the artists who have performed with the beautiful song and the dances and the music here at this scenic, beautiful place. Couple of memorandums have been given to me by the villagers, the head of the village society, by the local MLA, my friend Jingitynnad, and by the principal of the college and management committee of the college. I'll certainly put forward those memorandums to the right place, to the right officials, so that further action can be initiated. But as I mentioned, and yesterday night when we had discussed during the dinner with Chief Minister, my friend Conrad Sangamaji, we discussed a lot about harvesting the huge potential and beauty of Meghalaya as far as the tourism is concerned. Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is committed to develop these northeastern states and the potential of the tourism in these beautiful states. With these words, I once again thank you all for organizing this lovely, unforgettable, memorable moment for me at this beautiful place. Thank you very much.